Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create visually appealing and professional Instagram posts using Canva for free. Canva is a versatile online design tool where you can create presentations, edit videos, make logos, and much more, including Instagram posts. So let's get started. To begin, go to the Canva website. If you're new, sign up using your Google account or email address. It's free. After signing up, you'll see the Canva dashboard. From here, search for Instagram post templates in the search bar to explore pre-designed layouts or start with a blank canvas. An Instagram post size is typically 1080 x 1080 pixels. If you're using a template, simply select one and customize it. For example, you can replace placeholder images with your own by clicking on Uploads, uploading your image, and dragging it into the template. You can also add your image in place of the template image by simply dragging and dropping over it. To change the background, do the same process again. If you want to adjust the background color, simply click on the image, choose the Edit option from the top bar, and scroll down to the Filters section. You'll find a variety of filters to choose from. For this example, I'll use the monochrome filter, which looks the best here. Next, you can edit the text. I'll edit the top text to include my name. You can customize the font, adjust the size, and resize the text according to your preference. If you want to create more posts like these, go back to the Design section and choose another template that appeals to you. For instance, I'll select this one as it looks good to me. Again, I'll replace the background photo. And from the Edit option, I'll choose the blur effect. Then, I'll change the background color. Once that's done, I'll change the main photo as well. You can also edit the top text to include your name for a personalized touch. Additionally, you can replace the small profile picture to make it more realistic. Below are Instagram-like buttons. I want the heart icon to be red. To do this, click the button, go to the color grid at the top, and select the desired color. Using these templates, you can also create grids or collages for your photos. I've selected this template, which has a collage of different photos. Replace the photos with your own or add some others from Canva's library. Go to the Elements tab and search for any style of photo you like. For example, I'll type aesthetic to get aesthetic images. Choose the pictures you like and replace the existing photos in the grid. You can replace as many as you like. To make your post more appealing, you can also add stickers and graphics. In the Elements tab, search for emojis or graphics you want to add. For this example, I'll add a heart emoji. You can also search for Instagram-themed stickers to find similar options. Adding stickers to your image will make it more engaging. And that's how you can create an Instagram post using Canva. Once your design is complete, preview your photos and then download. You can also create Instagram ads, stories, or reels using similar steps. Canva's templates make it easy to design content for personal, business, or promotional purposes. Experiment with different styles and elements to see what works best for your Instagram aesthetic. Thanks for watching.